Here's a first look at my battery pack adapter for my Celestron Nexstar 8 SE. It's an SE mount. I'm using a Ridgid battery pack from my Ridgid power tool set, a Power Wheels adapter that I found on Amazon. I'll put some links. I 3D printed the box here. This is using a DC to DC buck converter, the LM2596. You can also find these on Amazon, and a switch I found from Amazon. So you can see I've got that wiring down here, comes into the adapter here. So I'm going to turn on the telescope switch first. I have both a switch on the telescope, which was built in, but on this battery adapter I put a power switch on it as well. That way I can turn it on and off depending on what I'm using it for. So let's take a look and see how this fires up. Okay, we've got the verifying packages. Please wait. Nexstar SE. Don't have to do an alignment. And let's see, I think I can just slew it around. So I like that package. It could probably be a little bit cleaner with the wires, but overall, pretty happy with it. Oh, one last thing. I'm just using a simple 1-inch cam style strap to attach this. So on my printed bracket, I have this lip right here that holds the strap in. The battery sits there just above the power outlet, just below the hand controller. And one other nice thing, you've got the battery indicator here, so midway through the night you can check the status of your battery. I like this because I can use these batteries, use them for my power tools, use them for my telescope. They'll be a nice universal thing. So these battery adapters are pretty handy.